Hi dear students, the last class we discussed about the software concept. In software concept, you know about the operating systems. Okay, you know the different types of operating systems. Okay, you know last class we discussed about the uh, these MS DOS operating system. Last class we discussed about the Unix operating system. This is very important for your point of your examination. Okay, Unix operating system, it is CUI based operating system. Okay, it is developed by the scientist Dennis Ritchie. Okay, it is not a multitasking operating system. Okay, must and should you have to write a commands in this. Okay, it's very difficult to operate Unix operating system. Got it? Last class we discussed about these. Okay, the today class we discuss about the another the famous operating systems. Okay, the famous operating systems like Windows and Android operating system. What are the facilities we have in this operating system? Why it is so much famous? Okay, these you have to study today topic. Got it? See, the first you have to know about the explain the features of Linux or Linux operating system. Explain the features of Linux operating system. It is also an operating system. You have to this operating system you have to install in a computer, but we are not using a Linux operating system. Also, it is also very much difficult to operate. Got it? See, what are the features of a Linux operating system? See, the first Linux operating system is developed by the scientist Linus Torvald. Linus Torvald. It is also asked in the competitive exams. Okay, who developed this Linux operating system? Okay, Linux operating system can be developed by Linus Torvald. He is a student, one of the student, 18 ವರ್ಷ 20 ವರ್ಷ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಲೈನಕ್ಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ಏನ್ರಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈನಕ್ಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ Linus Torvald. Okay, Torvald. This is then it has what are the features? What are the features of a Linux operating system? It has a portability. Portability means what? Portability means one program software can be one program can be run on another machine. One machine to another machine you have to run that program. Okay, it supports ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ that particular to that one machine only. Okay, you have to execute in that machine only. Okay, but ಇದು Linux operating system ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. See, it has a portability means you can one program, for example software can be run on one machine, you have to run on another machine. That same software you have to run on another machine also. That is called portability antaradike. Okay, this is also that is the one of the feature of a Linux operating system. Okay, then it has a multi-user operating system. See, we give the example for multi-user operating system. Linux operating system is the multi-user operating system. Multiple user can use this at a time. At a time, multiple user can use this operating system. Got it? Okay, at a time. For example, Google company ಅವರು Google search ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. There are a lot of million people are searching Google. Okay, Google ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ Google ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. In that they are using the Google company, they are using a Linux operating system. Okay, it is a multi-user operating system. Multiple user can accessing the data. Okay, it gives that's why it is a multi-user operating system. Also, it is a multitasking operating system. Multitasking means multitask, multiple programs, multiple software you have to open at a time. Multiple softwares like for example MS Word, songs, videos, at a time you can open it. Okay, that is called multitasking operating system. Okay, see, that is also one of the feature of this operating system. Okay, then the next one is a machine independent. It is not dependent, it is independent. You have to run the different softwares in different machines. Okay, different machines ಅಲ್ಲಿ machines ಅಂದ್ರೆ systems means computers. in one software ನೀವು different machines ಅಲ್ಲಿ run ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. that is called machine independent. it is not a dependent. Okay, it is machine independent. Got it? Then see, support networking. What is networking? Networking means you have to send a message from one computer to another computer very easily by using Linux operating system. You have to send, for example, you have to send a message from one mobile to another mobile very easily. Okay, same to same, you have to send the messages from, okay, one computer to another computer very easily by using this Linux operating system. Got it? That is called networking antare. Okay, networking. Okay, then it supports, it is secure means files, and it gives the security to our files and folders. Okay, see, it is a GUI based operating system. GUI, last class we discussed about this. GUI means graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means it has a different icons. Okay, it is created by different icons, you can easily operate it, no problem. But a Unix operating system, it is not a GUI, it is a CUI. Okay, it is very difficult to operate. Okay, but Linux operating system, easily you can operate. Okay, easily you can operate that's why it is GUI based operating system. Graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means graphically you have a different apps. Graphically you have a different icons. Easily you can identify. Got it? Okay, without seeing the name also you have easily you can identify these apps. Got it? That is called GUI. Okay, then it is an open source software. Open source means what? Open source means freely available. Okay, it can freely available in on the internet. Internet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You cannot pay the money for this software. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Got it? This is nothing but the Linux operating system. These are the features of Linux operating system. It's very easy. Okay, so many times e question no 5 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. You have to write at least 5 points. Okay, 5 points na neat ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is nothing but the Linux operating system. Okay, this is you have to remember. Got it? Okay, then the next one is the very famous operating system. Nowadays we are all using one of the famous operating system, that is nothing but the Windows operating system. See, Windows operating system. See, what is Windows? Windows operating system, it is developed by which company? Microsoft company. Okay, Windows operating system, it is developed by Microsoft company. Microsoft company CEO yaru? Bill Gates. Okay, Bill Gates is the CEO of he is a president of Microsoft company. Okay, Microsoft company. Okay, it is a very much popular software nowadays. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 7, ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 10. Okay, like this we are using different operating systems. Okay, nowadays the famous will be Windows 7 and Windows 10 operating system na use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Got it? Okay, see, then it is developed by Microsoft company, this operating system. Okay, then see, it has a taskbar and multi-touch support. Just when you open the Windows, you are getting one taskbar. In the taskbar you have a start button, you have a date, okay, time, okay, then different apps. Okay, that is called taskbar. Okay, later you can discuss about this taskbar. It consists of one taskbar irutte. Okay, in that you have a start button irutte alli. Okay, ಒಂದು different apps you are getting, a date, time ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ taskbar. Okay, this is what is there. It available in a Windows operating system. Okay, then it has a multi-touch support. Multi-touch support andre by using without mouse, in hand only you have to touch, then you have to open the softwares. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಪಿ ಸಿಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೆಲವು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟಚ್ ಇಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಓಪನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಇನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಟಚ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. Okay, multi-touch support irutte. Got it? Then the next search facility in operating system. This type of Windows operating system have a search facility. Search facility in the, what is the use of search facility? Like this you have a icon. One icon irutte like this. Okay, search, this is search icon. Search facility, you have to search your any folders. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಟ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್. got it? That is a search facility. It is a very good facility in a Windows operating system. Okay, search facility, we can very easily we can search our files and folders. Okay, then the next one is a better security. Better security means it provides the security to our files and folders. Files and folders ಗೆ security ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದಿ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಯಾರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನನ್ನ ಪಿ ಸಿನ ಯಾರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Got it? That is security. It gives a better security to your files. Okay, that option in a Windows operating system. Okay, the next we have the Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. What is the use of Internet Explorer? To accessing the file from internet. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್, you want must and should you want one software ಬೇಕು, that is nothing but a Internet Explorer. Okay, Internet Explorer, it is built in a Windows operating system. E ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ like this, E. Okay, E ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ Internet Explorer. This is also one of the software used for internet purpose. If you want to search any files, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, Google Chrome is also one web browser. Web browser means you are browsing your all files through ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ನ ನಾನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಮೊಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಫೈರ್ಫಾಕ್ಸ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆಬ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ಸ್. ಲೇಟರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಬ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್? Okay, used for what purpose? For internet. In internet we have so many files. If you want to access these files, must and should we want the Internet Explorer. Got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. The next one is a multimedia. It support multimedia. Multimedia means what? See, multimedia means it has audio and video softwares. Windows media player irutte, easily you can see the videos, all videos. MP3 player irutte, you can listen the audio songs. ಇನ್ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ನ. ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಡ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಮೀಡಿಯಾ facility you have in this Windows operating system. Okay, the next, multitasking and multiprocessing. You can at a time you can open 2 or more programs at a time. 2 or more programs you can open at a time. That is called multitasking operating system. Multiprocessing, you can processing 2 or more tasks at a time. You have to easily you can process it 2 or more tasks at a time. That is called multiprocessing. Both you have in the Windows operating system. That's why it's so much famous. Okay, the next one is it is GUI based operating system. GUI, graphical user interface. New Windows na just install madidre andre you are getting my computer icon, folders different icon, then MS Word different icon, network, recycle bin. Okay, you have getting different icons in desktop ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ different icons ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is nothing but what, these all facility in these Windows operating system. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, explain the features of Windows operating system. Okay, explain the features of Windows. Any file you have to write it, any file. Okay, any file. Okay, it's very easy, point wise ಮಾಡಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀ. Got it? Then the last operating system is it is also so much famous operating system, that is nothing but Android operating system. Okay, Android operating system, it is used in only in you already know, it is only used in mobiles. Mobile means small devices, small devices like smartphones, mobile phones ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. It is It is developed by a company Google. Android operating system na yaru ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, that is nothing but Google company, biggest company in the world. Got it? That Android operating system can be developed by this Google company. Okay, Google company. It is these Android operating system always used in mobile phones, not in PC. PC ಅಲ್ಲಿ work ಆಗಲ್ಲ Android operating system. Got it? Okay, PC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ work ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Got it? You have to remember this. Okay, this is used in mobiles only, small devices only, like a mobile phones, smartphones. Okay, then it is Android operating system. It is used in mobile phones. Okay, the next, it has a multitasking. It is multitasking operating system. Multitasking means you at a time you can open 2 or more programs like WhatsApp at a time, Facebook, okay, songs, audio song at a time you have to open it in mobiles. Okay, that is why it is a multitasking operating system. Okay, this is your remember. Then freely available. Okay, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೀಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ಫ್ರೀಲಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರೀಲಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ಸ್, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರ್. ಇನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ Zoom ಆಯಿತು, Google Meet, then WhatsApp, Facebook, different apps you have. Okay, we have different apps in mobiles. Okay, it can Android operating system. It consists of large number of applications. Okay, these are some of the facility of Android operating system. It is a GUI based operating system. GUI means graphical user interface, means you have different icons. Same icons antu iralla. Got it? This you have to remember this. Okay, same icons iralla, you have different icons. Okay, icons in this Android operating system. Okay, then it is multi-touch support. Multi-touch, what a touch ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ the folder or apps will be open easily. That's why it is a multi-touch support. Okay, it has a one feature, the very good feature, that is multi-touch support. Android operating system, it has a good facility, that is multi-touch support. Okay, this is about this is about Android operating system. These are nothing but these are the famous operating systems, okay, available in the market. Okay, in this complete this chapter, this is chapter name is software concept. Okay, software concept only, what you have to study. See, what is software, what are the types of softwares, okay, and what are programming languages. Okay, programming languages edike use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ to developing softwares. Software na ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ must and should you want programming languages. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್? 3 programming languages: M machine level, assembly level, then high level languages. Then you have to study about the operating system. Different types of operating system, the functions of operating system. Okay, then different features of operating system you have to study it. Okay, this is about this chapter, software concept. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವನ್ ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.